What to do, my goal chasers? This is Josh One Jones, your #1 goal coach with the Impel Project, still taking it one goal at a time. And I got a message for my goal chasers today who are looking for something better. They've been down and out, and they are looking for something better to happen in the next few days, in the next few weeks. And this message here can apply to someone here, I feel. And the message goes as follows. In order for things to get better, you have to put things in better order. I'm gonna say that again. In order for things to get better, you have to put things in better order. So I'm filming this here in my parents' home here in Memphis, Tennessee, and we are getting ready to move. I'm so excited to help my parents move. I'm here to do whatever. I'm here to pack whatever. I'm here to get rid of whatever, because over the years, things start to pile up. Now, it's not a bad thing. You've just been in one spot over the years. Things pile up, like old appliances, old plants, old clothes, just old papers. A lot of things start to pile up, and I'm here today to remove that stuff, to remove everything that's not going into our new house. Now, we got some things that are going into the new house that we want to bring that's gonna help us be comfortable now. But there's a lot of things that we're gonna get away, that we're gonna throw away and give away, and we want to make sure that we get rid of those things that aren't gonna align with our new home. And that goes for me too. So as I was cleaning up and getting things together, packing, I found these flyers, and shout out to my TSU fam, freshman year 2008. Y'all see what it is. I know you guys remember this joint. What else? What we got? Late registration. Who remember Club Nocturnal, Club Cream, and what else? Who else we got? Nashville Banquet Hall. It's a lot of clubs. Wild Horse downtown, and man, these flyers are about 12 years old. I know I'm showing my age, but they about 12 years old, and I had to realize these flyers are not me. That was me 12 years ago, trying to party, and that's not me anymore. So I don't want to bring these flyers with me into the new home and with me anywhere, because I'm moving forward. I got new goals, I got new dreams, and that's what I want my goal chasers to do as well, to take some inventory on what's holding you back. What are some old habits? What are some old people that are holding you back? Because chaos can create anxiety, it can create depression, it can really make you lose progress. We are so used to managing our chaos, and we're not making progress. We're so used to managing chaos that we're not making progress. Okay, so we gotta stop managing the chaos. We gotta take inventory. You gotta do some spring cleaning on what's holding you back. What are some old habits that's not aligning with where you wanna go? Because these flyers here, they're not aligning me where I wanna go. I don't wanna party like I'm 18, 17 again. I don't wanna do that. I gotta get rid of these flyers. So, y'all heard that. That's the sound of progress, baby. And I want my goal chasers to do the same. So my call to action for you guys is to figure out what's holding you back. What are you hoarding in the past that's starting to pile up and starting to slow you down? What do you need to get rid of? What bad habits? What bad people? What bad actions? What do you need to get rid of? But that's all I got for my goal chasers. I'm still your #1 goal coach, so DM me, let me know in the comments as far as what you thought of the video. If you need some help organizing those goals, holler at your boy. I'll do it absolutely free. So this is your boy Josh One Jones. Peace.